Hello everyone. Today we solve these type of problems. How to solve it? Let's check. Solution. Root 2 plus root x is equal to 2. Then square on both sides. Square on both sides. Then root 2 plus root x whole square is equal to 2 square. Yes, then here we apply a plus b whole square. This is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We apply this algebraic rule. Here root 2 square plus root x square plus 2 into root 2 into root x is equal to 2 square. Here it is 4. Yes. Then the next step it is 2 and root over is cancelled. 2 and root over is cancelled. Then here 2 plus x plus 2 into 2 root x. We know and another root a into root b is equal to root ab. We know this rule. Then root 2 into root x, it is root over of 2x is equal to 4. Yes. Then 2 root over of 2x is equal to 4 minus 2 and minus x. Here it is plus. Then we move to right hand side, then it is minus 2 and minus x. Then 2 root over of 2x is equal to 4 minus 2, it is 2 minus x. Okay. Then again square on both sides. Then 2 root over of 2x whole square is equal to 2 minus x whole square. Yes. Then we know a into b whole square is equal to a square into b square. We apply here. Then 2 square into root over of 2x square is equal to a minus b whole square. We know a minus b whole square, it is what? A square, it is 2 square minus 2 into x plus x square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then here 2 square, it is 4. Root over of 2x square, it is 2 and root over is cancelled. Then 2x is equal to 2 square, it is 4 minus 2 into 2, it is 4x plus x square. Yes. Then 4 into 2, it is 8x is equal to 4 minus 4x plus x square. Yes. Then the next step it is x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 8x is equal to 0. Here 8x, then we move to right side, then it is minus 8x, then is equal to what? 0. Then next it is x square minus 4x minus 8x, it is minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 12, c is equal to 4. We apply the rule minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Yes. We apply all this value. Minus of minus 12 plus minus root over of minus 12 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. This is equal to minus minus, it is plus, plus minus root over of minus 12 square, it is 144, minus 4 into 4, it is 16, divided by 2, is equal to 12 plus minus root over of 144 minus 16, it is 128, divided by 2. 14 minus 6 is 8, here it is 3 minus 1, it is 2, then 1. Then 128 we split, it is 64 into 2, divided by 2. Then the next step, it is 12 plus minus root over of 64 into root 2, divided by 2. Root AB is equal to root A into root B. Yes, we apply here. Then root over of 64, it is 8. 12 plus minus 8 root 2, divided by 2. Okay. Then we take 2 is common. Then here 6 plus minus 4 root 2, divided by 2. Then 2 cancel. Then what is that the value of x1 and x2? x1 is equal to 6 plus 4 root 2 and x2 is equal to 6 minus 4 root 2. Yes, we apply and verify this answer is correct or wrong. Okay. Let's verify. Recall root 2 plus root x is equal to 2. Yes, then x1, the value we put in x1 value. Root 2 plus root over of 6 plus 4 root 2 is equal to 2. Yes, then root 2 plus 6 we split, 4 plus 2 plus 4 root 2 is equal to 2. Okay, then root 2 plus this 4 we write it down, 2 square plus root 2 square plus 2 into root 2. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equal to 2. Yes, this is same as to this. Okay. Then here root 2 plus root over of, here it is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, then 2 plus root 2 square is equal to 2. Then this root and root over is cancelled. Then root 2 plus 2 plus root 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Then here 2 root 2 plus 2 is equal to 2. Then LHS is not equal to RHS. Then the value of x1 is not correct. Then we put the value of x2. Then the x2 value is 6 minus 4 root 2. We apply and check it, it is correct or wrong. Then root 2 plus root x is equal to 2. Then root 2 plus root over of 6 minus 4 root 2 is equal to 2. Then here root 2 plus same thing, 4 plus 2 minus 4 root 2 is equal to 2. Then root 2 plus, here it is 2 square plus root 2 square minus 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. Then root 2 plus, here it is 2 minus root 2 whole square is equal to 2. Then square and square root is cancelled. Okay. Then root 2 plus 2 minus root 2 is equal to 2. Then minus root 2 plus root 2 is cancelled. Then 2 is equal to 2. Then both LHS is equal to RHS. Then the value of x2 is 6 minus 4 root 2 is correct. Okay. Thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel to see this type of interesting video. Thank you.